Hey, YouTube Magnificent here. So as you know, I'm always looking for ways to hack your time, hack your life, hack everything, right? So I found this tool in taking off this inner and outer tie rod that is incredible. Normally you're looking at this massive tool that you gotta rent from AutoZone or any of your other Riley's, Napa. But man, I got this little small, it literally was like a $10 tool. Amazon, let's say max 20. This little tool will save you so much time. Simple, easy, 14 millimeter. You simply attach it on, you tighten it like no one's business. It's only a 3/8 ratchet that goes into it, but I am telling you, it worked like a charm. I mean, it worked so well that I wasn't even sure that I had already removed it. Found out after the fact that after I retightened it, took it off and retightened it, that I'd already gotten it off. So guys, I want you to make sure this tool is awesome, you know? So I'll show you on the next video, just on the next segment real quick, me taking it off, but it's really, really cool. Gotta get it. All right, YouTube, so here is the current situation. We're putting this little piece on. I didn't film, unfortunately, we were just too in the thick of it, but we didn't film getting it on, but it's real simple. These two nuts go off and this piece just simply goes off. And you put this round piece on, put this other piece on, and you just tighten it the direction you want it so that you can make sure you can pop it off. That's again a 3/8 hole. And I was worried as well because I'm thinking 3/8 enough to take off something that torqued? No, but so he's just torquing it down right now. We're just tightening it down so that when we pull this trigger, it pops down. So let's do this here. I'm gonna tighten it just a little bit longer and we're gonna go from there. So move out the way, please. All right, let's see what we got. Where we at? So right here, I put the 3/8 on it. We're going, that'll be tightening it, so we're gonna loose. So this is gonna, wait. It's going this way, so.
Yeah,
no, I was right.
The right way.
So I was going that way, yeah, so. All right, so go as high as I can. And then, I don't think it's very tight, but we'll see. See? It's off, guys. It's that simple. It ain't crazy. So now I just take this off, because of course it's hitting here. I may have to do one more, but what I will do is use the channel locks.
Channel locks are right. His leg.
You see channel locks? Yeah. So I might just use the channel locks to just kind of do one more pull than I can do it by hand. But if I can't, worst case scenario, release it a little bit, take it back there, pop it one more time, and you're done. Real simple. You don't need a whole kit. This thing is awesome. And use the same thing just to tighten it when you get the new inner tie rod in as well. So all good. We'll continue from there.